Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. It's the battle of the skies between the Holy Stone HS-175D and the Bwine F7. Which one will come out on top? Let's find out. Buckle up, because it's going to be a wild ride. First up, the price. The Holy Stone HS-175D comes in at a cool $229, while the Bwine F7 is a bit pricier at $258. So if you're ballin' on a budget, Holy Stone's got your back. But hey, sometimes you gotta pay to play, right? According to reviewers, the Holy Stone offers great value for beginners, while the Bwine F7, though pricier, is seen as a versatile and high-performance option. Next, let's talk cameras. The Holy Stone sports a 4K ultra-clear camera with a 110 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustability. Not bad, right? But hold your propellers! The Bwine F7 has a 4K UHD camera with a 90 degrees adjustable angle and 2.7K real-time image transmission. Reviewers rave about the Bwine F7's camera quality, making it a solid choice for aerial photography enthusiasts. On the other hand, the Holy Stone's camera is praised for recreational use and stability. Now, let's talk flight experience. The Holy Stone gives you up to 46 minutes of flight time with 2 batteries. Plus, it has altitude hold, optical flow, headless mode, and more. It's like the iPhone of drones, super user-friendly. But wait, the Bwine F7 offers up to 60 minutes of flight time with its 2 batteries. And it also comes with GPS and optical flow modes, waypoints, orbiting, and tracking. Reviewers find the Holy Stone to be beginner-friendly and stable, while the Bwine F7 is praised for its advanced features and versatility. Both drones have GPS auto-return, so you won't have to send out a search party if they decide to take a solo adventure. The Holy Stone will come back if it loses signal, goes out of range, or has low power. Pretty smart, huh? But Bwine F7 takes it up a notch with precise GPS positioning, one-key return, and automatic return during low battery or lost connection. Reviewers appreciate the reliability of both drones' GPS functions, but some note that the Bwine F7 offers a bit more precision. Design and portability are crucial. The Holy Stone folds up nicely and even comes with a carrying case. Plus, it's under 250 grams, so no FAA registration needed. Less paperwork, more flying. The Bwine F7 is also under 250 grams and folds up to the size of a hamburger. Reviewers love the portability of both drones, making them easy to carry around and use on the go. Overall, the Holy Stone HS-175D is highly recommended for beginners due to its ease of use, stable flight, and good value. The Bwine F7, although pricier, is praised for its advanced features, camera quality, and versatility, making it a great option for those looking to get more serious about droning. So there you have it, folks. Both the Holy Stone HS-175D and the Bwine F7 are fantastic drones, each with their own set of strengths. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, beginner-friendly option, go with the Holy Stone. But if you want top-notch camera quality and more advanced features, the Bwine F7 is your drone soulmate. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, happy shopping and happy flying. Product links are in the description.